Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today's review is about English Tea House, the restaurant located at F7 Rana Market, Islamabad. It was Valentine's Day, so we friends thought to celebrate it with each other. After going through the menu, we ordered their high tea platter, which serves two pepperonata chicken, creamy Tuscan fish, and wild mushroom steak. Due to corona restriction, outdoor seating was available. Because of Valentine, the outdoor seating was beautifully decorated with black and red balloons. Before serving the food, they have placed the red candle on our table. It was so romantic and goes with the Valentine theme. It's still cold in Islamabad, so they provided us with heaters as well. The items of high tea platter were okayish. There was nothing special in it. There were variety of desserts in high tea platter which were good. Creamy Tuscan fish was literally finger licking and it was the star of the show. It was really melting in our mouth. Pepperonata chicken was also good, but the steak was just okayish. Two complimentary teas were served with the high tea platter. As their name suggests, they really serve the English tea. There was nothing desi about the tea and it was not strong at all. I didn't like it very much. It was a treat from our friend and total damage on her pocket was around 8,000. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel.